Hey everyone, welcome back. Did Polymarket stop recognizing your Face ID or fingerprint and now asks you to log in manually every single time? The fix is in your iPhone settings and takes 30 seconds. Go to your settings app on your iPhone and then search for Face ID and Passcode. Enter your iPhone's passcode when prompted. Scroll down to the section called Other Apps. This shows every app currently allowed to use Face ID on your device. Scroll through and find Polymarket. If the toggle next to Polymarket is gray and off, tap on it to turn it on. If it's already green but still does not work, tap it off and then back on fully to reset the permission. Now force close the Polymarket app from your recent apps by swiping it away. Then wait for a few hours and reopen it. Face ID should prompt automatically on the login screen. If Face ID still does not work after resetting the permission, go to your settings app, then go to general, then go to iPhone storage, find Polymarket through the list of apps, and then offload the app. After uploading it, go to the App Store, search for Polymarket, and then reinstall it fresh from the App Store. This clears a corrupted authentication cache that can prevent biometric login from working. So all you've got to do is go to Face ID and Passcode, find Polymarket, toggle it on, offload and reinstall if still not working. Face ID will be working in Polymarket again, and that's it. Subscribe.